between Stephenville and Mineral Wells, and I got this weird thing behind me. It's like a motorcycle, but it's like part car, part motorcycle. So I'm trying to wait till it's, hopefully if I go slow enough they'll go around me, and then I can get a video of them. So I'm going 60 and the speed limit is 70, and I'm hoping they'll go past. Maybe if I get over and drive on the shoulder, they'll go on past me. It's kind of a bad spot to do it because you can't see way ahead. Normally I do that. If I can see far enough ahead, I'll get over and let everybody go by. A hilly area. It's kind of pretty through here. It's not bad. Motorcycles out today. I think it's a pretty day, so everybody's going for a ride. I've seen probably 100 maybe since I left the house. Alright, I'm slowing down, so I'm hoping this guy will go past. I assume it's a guy. And it's like part motorcycle, part car. And like it's an old car. Like some Bel Air or something from the early 60s or 50s, I don't know. Speed limit's fixing to be 55, so must be coming into a town. I'm not anywhere close to Mineral Wells yet, so I'm not coming into there. Okay, speed limit's 55. 45. This is Morgan Mill. That's the name of this town. You can see there's nothing to it. Spot in the road. Okay, he's going by. He's going by. He got tired of me. See, this is a car. It's part car, part motorcycle. Can't really see it good enough. There's two people riding on it. Looks like a car from the back.